How to enable TikTok Pulse Ads revenue. To use the TikTok Pulse Ads revenue, first things first, launch the TikTok application on your device. Once you open it, make sure that you are logged into your account and you also have an eligible account for this feature. Now, once you go through all of this, you simply have to tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right from your profile page. Now you simply have to go ahead and open the TikTok Studio, scroll down to the monetization section. From here, once you open this card, once again, scroll down to the learning resources. Now you simply have to look for these options over here and look for the TikTok Pulse. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it. From there, accept the terms and opt in. Simply tap apply or join to opt your content into the ad pool. Once you do this, you simply have to set up your tax and payment info. And there you go. This is how you can enable TikTok Pulse Ads revenue. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.